Hey, Mark Rice here. Today I will show you how to use Blend tool and be able to create beautiful art. It's very powerful and easy, so let's start. Okay, I created this one-line face just an example. You can start with basic shapes and make something more complicated later on. First, I will draw a circle and use gradient color for it. The angle can be 90 degrees. At the top it will be yellow. And at the bottom it will be orange. Now hold Alt keyboard button and drag it here. I got one more circle and it's time to show you first step with Blend tool. So select these shapes. Go to Objects, Blend, and hit Make. Great! As you can see, the software was created a few circles more and tries to create a line. So now I will show you how to make a smooth line. Go to Objects again, Blend, and hit Blend Options. Here you can choose between several different options. Select specific distance. You can check out Preview. As you can see, we have the perfect line now. Okay, cool! Now I have all that I need for a beautiful masterpiece. I just need to select the outline together with the blend line, go to Objects, Blend, and hit Replace Pin. I say that will be easy. Hit that bell notification button so you don't miss out, and stay tuned because the best is yet to come. Peace!